I'll be hosting a game showcase event where I play your games on this YouTube channel. And in this video, I will tell you rules of the event, why you should be a part of it, and why I decided to make such event in the first place. But before we start, this video is sponsored by me. If you want to learn more about game development, I have a very comprehensive RPG course that teaches you everything you need to know. It has tens of thousands of students that are already making their own video games, and you can join them by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, thank you for watching that part. Now let's talk about the event, and I want to start with the reason why I am doing this. Obviously, one of the reasons is just to make some content and get some views for the channel, but bigger reason is a personal story that happened to me when I had just 1 month of experience. Me and my friend participated in a game jam, and then YouTuber who hosted the game jam created a video with games that were in this game jam. And I vividly remember the moment when I found out that our game is shown in the video just for a brief moment, like 3 to 4 seconds, but I was so happy about it. I was so hyped, I'm telling you. Now, like 4 years has passed since that moment, and I made lots of cool projects and I had lots of good feedback about them, and yet that memory still feels like one of the strongest memories I have, and it also feels like one of the biggest steps I did in the game development. And that is the reason why I want to host this event. When I just started, I was so worried that nobody will care about my games, and yet Jonas cared enough to show it in YouTube video. And this is what I want to do for people. So if you do have a project you want to showcase, you can show it here. I will care. I will be one of your first fans among the thousands you're gonna get. And if you do have that barrier that I had, where you think that even if you manage to make a game, nobody will play it, that's not true. And I want to break that barrier for you the same way as Jonas broke that barrier for me. My voice getting shaky, very emotional time. I cannot promise you 1 million of views on the video where I show your games. My range is usually lower, but even if it gets 1,000 views, well, I hope it's gonna be more, but even if it is just 1,000 views, that's already 1,000 more possible players you might have than you could have yesterday. Slow motion is better than no motion. If you put one foot in front of the other, it helps you walk, and all of that. So I think that reason alone is enough to participate in this showcase. Just send me your games, I'm gonna play them, I'm gonna give some feedback, you're gonna see someone playing your game, and other people will see those games too. Now, let me tell you the reason when you should not submit a game for this showcase. If you don't take feedback very well, if you don't like when people critique your work, then maybe just don't submit the project you have. I'm very much against toxic positivity, so if you expect me to play your game and say how good it is and say nothing bad about it, well, that's not going to happen. For example, if game feels frustrating or boring, I'm gonna talk about it, and it is not because I wanna put you down and, you know, stop you from making games. There is no benefit for me doing that. It's just you have to consider me as a real player in the real world, and real players don't care how long you worked on the project, how much effort you put in. If they feel game is boring, they're gonna refund the game. That's the industry we are in right now. So yeah, it doesn't mean I'm gonna beat the shit out of your game and just be like, this is bad, this is bad. No, of course not. I do have common sense. I understand that we're learning. I understand that we'll have some sort of limitations, either knowledge that we currently have or the time. Lots of factors affecting it, but still I'm gonna be honest. Bottom line, if you cannot take feedback, don't submit the game. If you do, go ahead, it's gonna be cool, right? I hope it's gonna be cool. Another reason why you might not want to submit the project is, well, I have lots of people in my community who made games following my courses. Right now I have about 45,000 of students, and I'm assuming that some of you guys will want to participate in this showcase. I actually hope so. And you need to make sure that you showcasing original game, that it has something unique in it, that it's not just a copy of a project I made during creation of the course. Because if that, then there will be no point for me to play the game, because I basically created the game and you just sending me the same project that you made following my steps. And also, if lots of people will do that, it will be difficult to stand out because you're submitting the same project that another person does. So bring something unique into the project if you're making it by following the course. It could be different visuals or The visuals could be the same, but the idea of the game and concept is completely different. Maybe you have some unique mechanics to show. Whatever you do, just make it stand out and you'll be fine. Now, let me tell you last reason why you might not want to submit the project, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. Sorry, I had to set up the light because it was getting dark in here. Anyway, I'm doing this kind of video with a showcase for the first time, and I don't know how it's gonna work out, how it's going to be, how the video will be structured and so on. Because of that, not all of the games might be shown in the video. Well, obviously, if there are gonna be sent like thousands of them, I don't know how it's gonna go, then definitely I will not show all of them. And if it's just 10 of the games, then I will show all the 10 games. The point being is, I do not guarantee that your game will be shown in the video, and if you're not ready for the fact that it will not be shown, then just don't submit, okay? Now, how do we do it? I made a very simple Google form, so you can fill it up with info, and I'm gonna walk you through it, as well as telling you some important steps that you need to know when you submit the project. So this is the form you need to fill up. I need your Discord name on my server just so I can contact you if something goes wrong or if I have any questions. Maybe you send me a link and it's not working, or I find a bug and I ask you to fix it so I can test the game again, right? If you're not a member of a Discord server, then I highly recommend you to join so we can discuss the event and other stuff on the server. Next, I need your game's link. It must be uploaded to itch.io. If you have a Steam page, you can give me Steam page. That is also fine. If you need a guide on how to upload to itch.io, there is a link over here, and then you post your answer here. Then you need to tell me if you would like me to post your game link publicly on my Discord server. So you can say yes, you can post the link, I want others to see my game, and if so, I will post the link over here in submitted games, where only I can send messages and people will be able to scroll through and check out the games that were submitted. And if you don't want to share your game publicly, maybe for some reason you just want it to be shown on YouTube but you're not ready to expose it to bigger audience, then just say don't post the link and I will only play the game and show it on the video. Then you need to tell me how detailed you want my feedback to be when I play your game. You can say I'm a newbie, please go easy on me. Then you can say normal feedback is fine, I can handle it. And then you can ask me to be as nitpicky as I want, that also fine. All up to you guys. Now there is also 2 optional fields, and if you want me or viewers to know about your game or development process, and that's basically it. Now if you want to ask me why not just host a game jam, I feel like game jam puts certain amount of pressure on people because you need to make game within time limits, within the topic set, and so on and so on and so on. And I just want to see what cool stuff you've been making all this time. So I'm not gonna put pressure on you with a game jam, I'm just giving you the way to submit the game, and then if you want, you do it when you feel comfortable. The deadline will be November 15. I guess it's pretty much enough time to polish up the project if you have it, maybe even enough time to make something if you want to make something. Try to do it before November 15 so it's easier for me, and also so you don't push deadline too much. Right? Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna say thanks to my Patreons and give special thanks to Siramo89 and Gianni Maroni. Thanks to you guys, these videos are possible.